Hello, students. This is Miss Bowles, and today I am going to be speaking to you about verbs. Our verbs are our action words. They are our words that describe an action in the sentence. A verb tells something about a person, place, or thing. A verb can be used to describe what is being done to a person or thing, and a verb can be used to explain what state a person or thing is in. I also need to mention that there are various tenses in our verbs. So the tense of a verb will show the time of an action. So we have three different tenses. We have past, present, and future. The past tense of a verb is used to complete the action. The present tense, a verb refers to the time of a simple action in present time. And the future tense, a verb refers to the action that is going to happen later or sometime in the near future. I have some images here that I'm going to pull up, and I will be discussing the three tenses. So, for example, we have an image of a boy here, and I will name him Max. And Max looks like he is tidying up his room. And so I would say that Max cleans his room. And so cleans would be in the present tense because it shows that Max is currently doing this action, and cleans would be our verb, and that would be in present tense. Now, if I were to say that Max has cleaned his room, that would mean that Max has already completed and finished cleaning his room, and so that would mean that it happened in the past because I'm saying that he has already cleaned his room. Now, if I were to say that Max will clean his room, that is saying that he plans to clean his room in the future. And so a will gives us an indication that this will be occurring later on in time. So will clean is our future tense verbs. Okay, and so let me scroll down here, and then I have a few other images. And let's see, I have a boy here, and I'm going to call him Alex, and Alex is bouncing a ball on his knee. And he is also listening to music, and so I could say that Max plays with his ball. So plays would mean that he is currently doing the action. So it's happening in present time. And so plays would be our present tense verb. Now, if I say that Max will play with his soccer ball, I am stating that he will play with his ball at a later time or in the future, and so will play will be in the future tense. Now, if I say that Alex has played with his soccer ball, I am stating that this is something, an action that has happened in the past, and so has played will be our past tense verbs. Now, in the last picture, I have, let's see, a picture of two students here, and they are enjoying ice cream. And we'll have again, we have Alex, and we'll say Nikki, and so they are eating their ice cream. And so if I say that, that means that it's happening in the present tense. And so eating would be our present tense verbs. And if I were to say that Max and Nikki have eaten their ice cream, I am stating that this has happened in the past because has eaten refers to something that happened at a later time. And if I say that Alex and Nikki will eat their ice cream, I am stating the fact that they plan to eat their ice cream in the future. And so will eat will be our future tense verbs. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this short mini lesson on verbs and verb tenses. And if you have any questions, please feel free to rewind and to pause this video and to ask me later on in class when we will be going over verbs again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.